Okay, so what is the difference between browser and console? Okay, console means your console will show. Okay, your the output will be shown in the console. Console mean your local computers, right? And browser means even though it is there inside your local, but you are getting this information on a browser. Okay, like Google Chrome. Okay, Internet Explorer. Okay, because you are sending HTTP requesting. Okay, so that's why there is a difference between system out println print those information and out.println. There is a difference between these two. Okay, this out is not, this is belong to print stream. Let me tell you, this is a core Java concept. I think I have discussed, but if let me tell you once again. Okay, or let me discuss this one. Okay, this, what do you mean by system? System is a class. Is it in a lang package something? Yes, it is a lang. It's in lang package. Then what is out? Out is a static variable. Okay, you can call the static variable by the class name. Then what it will return? Because you are calling a println, you 100% no, println could be a method. Okay, it means you are calling a method, means this should be an object, right? Okay, this together it's very interesting, right? This together it will return an object, and that with the help of object you can call a method. Okay, then and then which object is returning? System is a class in lang package. Out is a out is a static variable, and together they are giving us one object of print stream object. Okay, in print stream object. Okay, print stream object, object, it means print stream is a class. Okay, and there is a println method inside that. So we are calling, and finally we are getting beautiful result, right? This is about system out println. Okay, but what is out dot println? It is a system out println something? No, it is a Java. It is not core Java related. It is from advanced Java. Okay, out is coming from get writer response.get writer. Okay, you're calling, getting the print writer object. Okay, then only you're calling. But what about in, that is in servlet? But what about in JSP? JSP same thing, but JSP telling hey candidate, hey developers, you don't worry, I will give you. Okay, I have stock of implicit objects or ready-made objects. You don't need to, you don't need to create manually by using new operator, by calling any other method, right? How you are creating a request dispatcher object? You are not creating new operator, right? So request dispatcher RD is equal to request dot get request dispatcher something, right? Anyway, how, anyway, you are arrange, you are doing, you do some arrangement, you get some object there, and you use those object. But here no, it's a, Java says, it's don't worry, I'll give you. Okay, so those are implicit objects. Okay, so where I was discussing one point. If you want to send this whole data to another page or another, I'm telling page means don't worry. Okay,
వంటింట్లో ఉంటాయి చూడు షాంపులు డబ్బులు కాడ
Vishnu is just somebody who can you teach can you teach us something? Okay, okay, some words. Okay, I was joking. Okay, so now I'm interested to see those information in this JSP. If I run this JSP, I want to I can see the information of the last JSP or another JSP. Okay, I want to save it. I want this thing, I we already have discussed. Let me. So this JSP page contain in addition to the current JSP. What happened, Charani? Okay, the first time I'm getting slow because I installed more softwares. Going forward, I don't want to. Um, what I have done now, I have installed IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, IntelliJ IDEA is huge. It takes 580, around 550 plus MB of data. Okay. Vijay, are you using any IntelliJ IDEA?
No, sir.
IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, no problem. You first get strong with Eclipse. Then IntelliJ IDEA will be easy. Again, if you will start discussing, it will really confusing, and really, it's not right now. It's not required. No. Once you get hands-on with Eclipse, uh, then it will really helpful, because those syntax commands will be little different, right? Anyway, okay. So that's why it's, I think due to that reason it's getting slow or what. Or let me sometime I will restart my system. Okay, I'm not restarted. Okay, so what happened here? What happened here? So I was in this JSP, but I run, can you see, this is a test2.jsp. Okay, this is the test2.jsp, this file. But this file, there is only in addition to current JSP, in addition to current JSP. But where this data came? Because this data is from the another page. It is not only another page, whole page came into here. Okay, I have not filtered the only some information. I get all the information of this. What is this page is doing? Everything will come and added to be added, get added to another page. So that is called include directive. Okay, this is a part of one directive which is after page directive, or anyway, it's the include directive. It will include. So what is the syntax? For syntax, no, for that, for that the syntax is at the rate. Okay, this percentage symbol at the rate, then you write include, then file. Then what is the page directive? Have you remember what is the page? See, have you remember what is the page directive? Simply page. It will give, it won't work, because page is different directive and the include is different directive. Okay, page directive looks like this. Okay, page directive, usually when you create any JSP, by default page will come, because it is a Java language, right? And content type by default will come. Okay, no worry. Suppose you want to create 5 times again page directive to experiment in the experiment purpose, it is you can write, but it is a good idea to include everything in a single page. Okay, suppose you want to use each error page, each is control space. Can you see, is el ignored, is error page, is thread safe? If it is really required, you can use, or else why unnecessarily keep on including these components? Okay. But it is no, there's no problem, but unnecessary. If it's there's no use, why I will include all these things? Okay, so what is the use of again is here. I many times I told you, many times I've used this one. This will be frequently used, this will be used frequently. El, expression language. Suppose you have sent a request dot set attribute there, you want to get attribute, right? In this JSP, simply percentage, sorry, you can use is el true, that already discussed. Let me let that example come into the picture, so that we can focus more on that, so that we should not get deviated from this current concept. Okay, what is the current concept? It is, there is a current concept including. Okay, to include directive, to include the result of the other JSP in this JSP. What is the JSP, current JSP name? Test2. What I'm interested in, I'm interested in to get this information completely into this current JSP, which is test2. I want to get the result of test1, complete result, complete. Okay, suppose you want to get, no sir, I want to get partial result. Partial result, that depends upon the logic. Suppose you want to send the some information of, let's say only you want to send this a list object. You can send this list object to another JSP. Who can tell me how to send this? Who can tell me? Request, because request ready-made object is available, right? Request dot set attribute, right? Set attribute. You can put what you can put LST. You know, oh no, not LST. You can put result. Okay, inside quotation, you can put result. You can put result, and you can put LST. This is the value. Right side thing is the value, left side thing is the alliance name. If you want to send this information to another JSP, okay, if you want to send this information to another JSP, you have to, or another servlet. So another servlet should understand this answer through the alliance name. Why I am getting error? LST requested set attribute. What happened? It's not understanding LST. What happened? Control S. No problem. Okay, who can tell me what next? Who can tell me what is next? How can I send this? See, I have kept the answer inside a request object, but in this name. How I can send this one? A request dispatcher. Request dispatcher RD. So these are the special cases. RD request dot. Oh, sorry. That is also one way. Request dot get request dot get request dispatcher. Here na directly aram so you can put the JSP name. JSP name. You want to send to another JSP, you can put the JSP name. Okay. If you want to send to another servlet, who can tell me? If I want to send this information to another servlet, which information? I'm interested to send this LST data. I don't want to send whole result. I don't want to send whole result. If you want to send whole result, simply you can everything, all the result of this information will be forwarded to another JSP. That is the include directive you can do. And you want to send some flavor, something. Why I will require to send everything unnecessary data? Because I require only blue color. Why I get all the color combination? I require blue color, right? Suppose I want to get all the color combination, all the set, then I can get the set. Let's say that set is available in a particular JSP. Then I will invite that whole JSP. No, don't confuse with import. Import is different thing. Okay, I will get include. Okay, include. What is the syntax? Paste include, then file is equal to directly. Okay, but I am interested to send some data. Some data means then request get dispatch get request dispatcher. What is the test2.jsp, right? I'm sending from test1 now. Test2.jsp. Okay, sorry. Is it enough, or should I use another thing? Is it enough? You forgot, I think. Request response. That's it. So in this way, I sent the LST data to another JSP. How I can say get this data in this JSP? How can I get? Who can tell me? Request dot. Oh, request dot get attribute request. Hey, request dot get attribute. You don't should it? Okay, no. No, but you know why? I think you have to use Java code. I think, yeah, Java code. See how difficult this is. How easy in servlet. Not difficult. Once you export on this, it will be easy. Request, but it will be little longer way. Get attribute, right? Get attribute. Jati, what should I? How can I get the information? Because I set the value there, Raju, right? Raju.
Yes, sir.
Raju, in which
Result and LST.
yeah, good. LST. I don't. I'm not bothered about LST. I am bothered about result. I know if I call result, automatically
LST automatically
will come, right? So LST, I can Raju result. Okay, I think it will be should be inside double quotation. Okay, result. Now this will go to your Which method? Service method, right? So just think you are in do get or do push method. Suppose, just think, and in do get method you already got the get attribute. Then you want to show the result. How you can show the result?
Using get parameter.
No, just give me another answer. You can guess. You can guess. Okay. You see, request get attribute. See, if you are not by hearted, you have not remembered the things. At least be smarter. Okay. Suppose you are error free code you have written. You can click on this. What is the return type? Object. Okay, if return type is object, what your intention? You want to see the result. See the result means you want to give a system out println, or you want to see in the browser. If you want to see the browser, na, then out dot println, right? Out dot
Println
println.
result.
But there is a twist. You already know. I'll ask Asa. You already know. You've done it many times. But what I'll print? What I'll print? What is this value? Is a string value? No. What is your expectation?
Object.
Uh, huh. No, no, no. That is correct because it's
It's a
return
string
type is
value, sir.
object.
Yes, sir.
Because it's a string value, right? Because it's a string of list, right? Okay, string value. So how can I convert it as a string? So what I can do, you can use one string. Just be very simple. Don't be over. Just don't be extra smart. Just be simple. Then some point of time become be more smarter even. Okay. So string str or string result of Raju result is equal to because I know that is
Percent.
I know that is a result. I know that is that is a string value, but this is return type is object. Then can the bigger thing be fit into a smaller thing?
No,
See,
sir.
so what should I do? Casting, right? Typecasting. Okay. This is see. Don't you think it's a core Java thing? Okay. So now result is ready. Result is a string. Aram say I can see out.println result. Okay. So no here no need to create your object out object. This is a specialty of JSP. So many things are combined with each other. Okay, and it's easy, but you can combine, you can understand, you can relate. Then thing will be very easy. Okay, it may be okay. Let me execute this one whether I'm getting Raju or not. I'm getting error. Okay, what is the error? Maybe small mistake, something. Okay, here I can get more. Jasper error. Some equal symbol is expected. I missed out some equal symbol. Maybe equal symbol. See, small mistake if you do, so many errors will come. So it is good once you little experience on this, or it is not about experience. Once you understand more, then you can at least you can relate. Oh, could I miss something? Okay. I'm expecting this out.println result stri and string is. Oh, maybe this
Sir, से जो
result.
result
Okay.
color टा change होगा था है नहीं sir मैंने सर है नहीं.
Yeah. Maybe I'm same result. I'm giving different name. So let me give the different name. Okay, that color should be changed. Yeah, correct. Stri in this string, right? String.
सर store है ही नहीं sir. Sir next line कौन है?
Okay. There. Are out.println. There's no error. It will go to our println. Okay, let me give a system out println. System it will work. Yeah. Inside scriptlet I'm doing, right? It won't give shortcut. You don't allow shortcut this time. It won't allow. I have to type system dot out dot. Yeah, can I at least print on console? Let me just come. Let us see. What is the test 2, right? Test 2. Come on. Stereo 4. Test 2. JSP, JSTL test. JSP, JSTL. Come on. JSTL test. Yeah, test. Full stack trace route. Apache Jasper symbol expected. Equal symbol expected. Why equals? Where? Line number 42. Okay, which line number problem is? What is the error? Which line number? Which line number? Okay. Okay, which line number? Line number is not showing exactly. Hello, Ajay. Showing clear. Let me give one another. Test2.js na? Test2. Apache Jasper TS2.jsp line number 2 column number 32 equal symbol expected. Maybe and it's a good idea. See, it's a good idea because there is a purpose. I'm using this concept for this logic for a particular purpose. Now to experiment other thing, I'm making fit into this thing. So sometimes what happen? No, it won't. It break the logic of other things, so that we have to keep in mind. So it is you can for the experiment purpose you can do whatever thing in another JSP, because another JSP is made for a particular purpose, and to experiment purpose I am doing other thing here. So I should not break the logic or purpose of which is meant for, right? That is keep in mind. But there is no compilation error. It should but am I including this file? Okay. Let me just because body inside body I'm writing. Okay, that's okay. Equal symbol it's telling na. Okay, string that equal is there. Line number 2. Java language. I'm not importing anything. I am not importing anything. This is a output. Okay, out.println. Okay, this time I just string request dot get attribute. Yeah, get attribute, because already forwarded to 2 from 2 it is coming. In that case what happened? No, we go from the index.html. Our system we take in a proper format. Then we go into another servlet or another JSP from another JSP. But here no, I'm not executing. If I execute this one, no, if I execute this one, what will execute? It will execute the sequential procedure. Okay, but these all are experiment purpose. I have created one JSP. Let me check, but it should work, I think. Let me quickly go ahead. If I execute this, oh, if I execute this, it will forward, right? If I execute this, now it will forward. Maybe if I execute this, now this page will execute and this will forward to another JSP. Okay, test one just be executing, and after the test 2 if I execute, then it will come. But yeah, thing is that I think it is not fitting into this this logic. For to experiment this one, I can take a separate only 2 JSP. Okay, I should hit the 2 JSP, and I will write in such a way that if I execute the code, it will hit the fast JSP, and automatically fast JSP will execute, and it will it will create a request dispatcher, and will send the data to next JSP. Automatically next JSP will show the data. So because our logic is okay, but our requirement, maybe it is not fitting our requirement. This thing will do it. Okay, once again, we'll do it many, I mean, at least one time. Okay, we'll do it. Okay. Or I'm asking you, take a separate 2 JSP. Okay, your index or welcome page should be, let's say, 1 JSP, fast JSP. From that JSP, just send this data to another JSP. Okay, or another servlet. Okay, like in this case, suppose you want to send this data to another servlet, here I have sent it to test2.jsp, right? Suppose you want to send to another servlet, you can give any name, and that name should be there in the servlet @web servlet inside bracket with the slash. It should be there, right? In this, are you getting my point? If you want to send this data to another servlet, let's say to this servlet, because we are not using web.xml concept, right? So web @web servlet is a annotation inside bracket. You can give that name, but you don't give this time, or else it will come completely, you'll get errors. Okay, here suppose you want to send to this data to servlet, copy this one. So which servlet you want to give this information, you want to transfer this servlet, then you can give the answer, the URL button here, and you can give a slash. Don't give right now, or because it will break the concept of this. Okay, so these are the things, small things. We can do it another time by taking only 2 separate JSP. I can send the data because this is already made for a particular purpose, and maybe, yeah. Okay, so we just discuss about include directive, then come back to the your taglib directive, which is really important. Already we just started with a small discussion. Let me go in details. Let me not send this data. Then what I was writing here, see something. Oh, include was there. Okay. Let include. Okay, this is the including data. Okay, now I want to send the data from servlet to JSP. Which JSP? Display.jsp. What is my intention? My intention, what I'll do, I'll create a member object. Okay, I'll create a member object. I think all of you understood this one. Actually, this is really important. From JSP perspective, it's really important. Okay, because on the JSP perspective, is other small thing you know. But the major thing, what is the use of JSP? To fetch the data. If you are going to be a UI developer, or if you are going to be a full stack developer, okay, so suppose you are you are fetching the data from the database, okay, and you are sending to it to the JSP page, because you want to show the data, right? You want to show the data on the page. You want to show the data on the page, so that, let's say, I already discussed this one. Let me recap so that it will be more helpful. Let me execute this whole project. Don't worry, this data is not going. I tell you, this data is not going, and this data is not getting stored anywhere. If I give any data, this is a dummy data. Okay, even I give, suppose I do mistake, I think it will work. Yeah, it's not work because it's not working because I have given some because I'm collecting in the integer format, I think.
The email I added Gmail.
Or is it? Oh, I've done that one. Oh, no, it was working. What happened? Vijay, it was working yesterday, right? Any number also? Or is it, let me just say. What happened? Okay. Because what happened? No, for a experiment purpose, we should not should not play with the other code. It's very important. Just remember this one. If you want to experiment something, you create a separate file, create a new JSP, because even though your logic, even though your logic is sorry, even though you're error free, maybe your logic is not support to others. So I recommend you everyone, don't suppose you have created some project and you have maintained some JSP files or something to experiment purpose. You don't do experiment in this yeah, it is a good idea. Okay, again you have to you have to go and check, you have to make satisfy the other purpose of the other code. That is important. Okay, let's see resolve this problem. This problem I don't think is related to those we have created the new files or what. Let me check this one. What happened? What is telling? Poor property not found exception. Okay, got it. Yeah, country is not there. Okay, country is not there. Okay, okay, but here it is not like that I have created other JSP, I have written those code, due to that it is error is coming. No, it is not like that. Okay, it is not like that, but don't do that. Okay, you can in that case, no, you have to again. So to save some time, I just tried to do other things, but it is not related to that. Maybe it is related. Let one second.
Create a country.
Country I'm not created the country. Okay, country is not found type of Pojo member. Yeah, right, we'll understand more it. Oh, I have done something country. Let us see. Let us see. Yeah, I have not done anything, any arrangement here. Okay, because it is the moment I'm hitting this the moment I'm hitting this one, where is this? Come on, man. Copy. Array. Okay, okay, let me just restart this one. Let me send a fresh request. Okay, let me copy this one. Let me try over here. Okay, the moment I'm hitting this one, okay, the moment I'm hitting this one, what it is doing? Okay, what is the where is the wrong? We can investigate and we can find it out. Okay, so the moment I'm hitting add, we'll go in that way. You can increase your logic also. It definitely is hitting to which JSP, the index.jsp, right? Index.html. From index.html, the name, what is the name is what is the action name? Test. Okay, come back, test. Hey, test, come back. Already I opened this one. Let me close others so that it will left, right? I don't want to keep. Okay, test. Hey, test, are you there? Yes, I'm there. Test is there. Test. Okay, cool. Test is there. Okay, what test is doing? Test is collecting this information. It is not doing anything with this information. It means useless. I mean, it is not useful. This whatever information I'll be sending, it is not useful. The thing is very important. Add action is getting called. What is doing? It creating the member object. Okay, that is fine. Member object done. In member object, what I'm doing? Raj, some maybe ID, maybe Z, sorry, name, ID and email ID. That's three things I'm creating the object of this member class, and I've created a array list. I'm keep on adding this member object. The finally in my array list member, in list member, the information of all information is folded. Okay, folded. I'm not getting it from database. Now question, if you were successfully do it this one, we can fetch it in from the database. That is a task for you. Okay, first of all let's understand clearly what is happening. Okay, why is error came. Okay, some of you already know the answer, but let me discuss it for all. Okay, for others. Okay, what I'm doing, request or set attribute, I'm adding this information, and I'm putting in a name, and this name contains all information. If somebody can call successfully this alien's name or this name, okay, aram say you can get all information which is there in this. Okay, so this is the beauty of get attribute, set attribute, with the use of request, with the use of session. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so I'm sending this data to display.jsp. Hey, now display.jsp, I'll ask, hey, display.jsp, are you doing everything correct? Have you done all the arrangement to fetch this information? Okay, we'll see. Display.jsp. Display.jsp is telling, I am expecting name, ID, email, and country. I'm expecting this country also. Okay, if I remove this country, then everything will be fine. Okay, the problem is with the country. He is expecting, but country is not there. Okay, country is not there because I design in such a way that I'm adding one extra column. Oh, that is a real-time requirement. I tell you what happened in real time. No, suppose tomorrow the product is getting sold very nicely or getting utilized, and the public demand increased, and they wanted to add a new facility, new feature. Okay, so new feature, they'll be asking, no, one country value we need to add. In that case, as a developer, where you need to go and change or add all the code, that is really important. Okay, now this is a small example, you can find it out. Okay, so what we require, we can go, let me for the timing, let me close this one, let me close this one, control space. Okay, okay, anything I have done, email, bg color, all good. Yeah, okay, fine. Let me restart the server. Restart, come back here, refresh this one. See, previously it was yesterday even, it was refreshing very quickly. Now it is taking this much of time. Any number also, anything. See, it's, see how much time it took. 3 seconds extra it's taking. Previously in it 1 second it was producing the answer. Okay, no problem, because I'm installing softwares. Okay, fine. So this information, so what user demand, or not user, the user demand increase, then company who is dealing this company. Okay, or this product is belong to a particular company, right? Company said, hey developers, hey, let's say they are dealing with our company. Okay, we have a small company. I thinking, now there is a change request come, or there is a requirement come, new requirement there, we add a new value. We'll be telling, okay, we can do. Then they will be telling, what is your charge, how much amount you are requiring. Then we'll be telling in the form, in the term of dollar. Okay, this much of dollar is required because I have this much of software engineers, they'll be doing, because this is a small task. Okay, this is small task. Okay, usually this is small task, this is called change request anyway. But for this company can deal some extra amount because this is a new requirement. Okay, at the time of when requirement comes, there is a long process. There is so much bargaining. Okay, they will be telling, hey, are you clear? What is your requirement? So this takes some time. Okay, this is called high level design. No, this is called requirement gathering. After requirement gathering, the architect and the high management, high level management, or including managers and team lead, they'll discuss. Okay, which technology will take? What is the demand of the client? No, client is telling Spring Boot and Oracle database and all the new feature for the validation they require. Okay, again we'll discuss how for this, what is the okay, how much time it will take. So this is the way how I'll take I'll take some session, or I'll discuss how the requirement comes, how the designing happened as a developer, as a team lead, or as a manager. What is the rules? Okay, or as a simple developer, what you can expect and how you can communicate. This kind of idea you should have. Okay, it is not mandatory, but it is better to have, right? With the technology, it's in a knowledge, with the concepts, it's fine, but you should have also this knowledge. I'll discuss this on some point of time. Okay, so to achieve that one, so let's say we want to add a new behavior or new requirement. Tomorrow, or let's say tomorrow, client will ask, no, you add country also. Then if I have added the country here, then I should have add all the arrangement for this, right? I know from where the data is coming. I know data is coming from servlet test, right? Servlet test. Is it servlet test? What is that? Yeah, servlet test. If servlet test data is coming from servlet test, have I done the arrangement for the country? No, I have not done. So how can I add the country? Then I have to go to the root level. Who can tell me what is the root level? From where I should start this working? Start this work. From where? Who can tell me? So I am adding. So I'm adding name, ID, email ID. Is my country is there? Is not it missing? Yes, it is missing. So I should go to the root level. I should go to the member data. Where is the member data? Pojo class, member data is there. Member data country is there? No, right? I have to add a country. Okay. Once we understand this one, then easily we can understand from the database side. From the, if you understand this one, then aram say you can relate. Okay, in the database also we have to add a column that is called country. You have to check what is the data type. Is a varchar or is a number? Definitely it should be a varchar. Okay, so in that time you can play with the requirement. Okay, just this is pure understanding. Okay, country, can I add country? Country, my country is ready, but this one, is there any getter setter method? No, right? Just right click, resource, source, generate getter setter, generate getter setter. It's asking country, yes, good, generate directly. Now country is fine, but have I done two string methods country, or have I added? No, I have not added. So I have to do a country thing. Okay, class email, copy email is equal to who can tell me how to do that? Copy this one up to email, copy plus Control Z. I think here we have to do plus.
Sir, country equal to
Here, yeah, country is equal to plus
plus country.
Plus I can give it the symbol.
Country inside the
symbol. Country space UNTRY, country
plus
is equal to plus country. Here little difficult, or else if you go this dot, that is real easy. Okay, maybe okay. Country is equal to
sir totally
okay, got it.
read
Okay.
कर दियंतु आउ थरे सोर्स रे जाई कि ये कर मार दियंतु
That is yeah, we can do that also. That will be good. Right click,
source
or else we can do in that way also. That is easy.
two string से
Asa,
नि तळ
Interesting. Have you remember initially we used to do, right? This dot is equal to this dot id is equal to id. That is easy. Generate. Aram se. Okay, fine. And see what we do. What we did. Where? Okay, country. Maybe we missed out one plus symbol or one this quotation. Maybe. Okay. Fine. So now it's all good, but one constructor is there, right? Constructor, right? I should add one value here, right?
String country.
String. All good. Just initialize this dot. But next time, no, if you get this kind of error, try to get, because we don't have time, because we follow this one, it's okay, but at least you try from your end. You just do something, some modification, so it is better. If you want to save more time, then you can delete it and you can recreate this country. Yeah, country good, all good. All good. From the from the project class, all good, but here I have to add country, right? Raj is from India, Daisy is from India, Sony is from India. Roji, I can make it from US. Ajay kept in India. Okay, good. Okay, so I think all good. All good. Getter setter method. Members fine. All good. Member adding name list member JSP. Let's see. Discuss. Let's see. I have restarted. Come back. What happened? Okay, see, it's taking time. Oh, congratulations. Okay, we successfully added the country, right? Okay, but thing is that this thing we can get it from database. That will be really awesome. Okay, who can tell me what is the, at least who can tell me what is the idea, or what are the steps, or what could be the logic? I think you already I mean came across this requirement, or at least you have that logic also. Who can tell me how to get this information from database? What we can do? I'm not asking you to maintain the standard. I'm not asking you to create another which we should be doing. Okay, which is better. Okay, which is really better and we should be doing. And if you don't know that one also, I'm asking you with a very basic level also, how we can do it. Let's say I'm not asking to create a new DAO class or do the connection over there and call that method by defining static method by the class name, and call that thing here and do those things. I'm not asking. I'm asking very simply. I'm asking if such as like you do whole lot of thing here in servlet itself. What you can do? Who can tell me? What we can do? We can do here, right? First, what is the class dot for name, right?
Driver. Class dot for name.
Class dot for name. Please help me so that you. Array. so that it will just think that you are writing code here. Class.forName.
Hmm.
Here we are right. Good.
Hmm.
Uh,
com.mysql
com.mysql
.jdbc
.jdbc
.driver.
.driver driver. It will throw.
CJ, sir, CJ.
Okay,
Between
CJ.
division
Okay. Okay. MySQL.cj. Good. Okay, fine. CJ. Okay, good. Okay. You know better. It will throw exception, and don't worry. Hey, why throw is not? It's not asking to throw that one. Try guess. That option is not showing. Okay, try guess. Arey, yaar. Okay. Okay, try guess. Fine, try guess. Okay. So successfully we have registered the
Sir.
type. Tell me.
सर ऊपर जो डू पोस्ट नहीं की
Hmm.
ताते जे हमें डायरेक्ट क्लास नॉट फाउंड और एसक्यूएल एक्सेप्शन दे दो एकादे दीटा को नहीं जोगी
Haba. That we can do. So, but it was not asking to throw. Maybe it may be it already is doing, because see, this requirement is little different. Okay, no problem. You will come back with different error again. We'll resolve and we can get it. No problem. So for the timing, just understand we are doing the try catch. Because let's say sometime you can ask me, sir, class not found exception. If I throw class not found exception, is not that good? Is not that same thing you are asking? But that is fine. But let us do it later, okay? Or let do mistake. I mean, if it is a mistake, let do mistake, okay? Let do control check. Throws class not found exception. I'm not using try catch. I'm using throws keyword, because it's breaking some other purpose, maybe. Yeah, no problem. Control. What is the problem? Remove exception do post. Okay, remove. What is okay? What is telling? Remove exceptions. If I remove this one, okay, it means it's not satisfying. Okay, maybe I'm breaking other rules. You see, that's why it was not showing through keyword, right? Eclipse is so intelligent, right? Okay, I'm using try catch. Okay, let's see. Everything we cannot relate with everything, right? Everything have different purpose. To experiment something, we should not break its purpose. You understand this one as a developer. Okay, so accordingly you can write the code. It's important to write the code, but it's more important how efficiently you are writing the code. That is wonderful. That is awesome. Okay, now our driver is registered. Quickly we can go ahead with connection. Okay, driver manager, control space, driver manager, get connection. Get connection. Your everything will give Bijay here. So your array control check. Get connection. Three things we can give: password, URL, and username. Everything I can give. Okay, no problem. Get connection. Quickly. Tell me quickly. Password is root. ID is root for me. Password is. I will write my password. Just we are just writing the steps. We'll see the code. Okay. Definitely, we have to give the. Who can tell me what is the
JDBC
JDBC
:MySQL
:MySQL
double slash
/ localhost
3306
localhost colon
colon
3306 /
that's
database name.
database name.
SQL test. Yeah, SQL test. Yeah, all good. I think my yeah. And this is my root. And password is. I will
Password.
give you password. Okay.
1 2 3
Yeah. Mm,
Nillu.
yeah, I'm using 1, 2, 3. Yeah, but there is a error because of
Connection.
yeah.
We have an initialized.
Should I use throws or should I use try catch?
Try catch.
Try catch. Try catch. Okay. Try catch. Okay. Okay. Now all happy, I think. Okay. We'll see. Now I successfully done the connection. Okay. Now
Statement.
I want to create a statement, right? Statement. Am I doing statically or dynamically? I'm fetching the record, right? So prepare statement is fine.
Statically.
No problem. You can use statement, also prepare statement, because we are not doing any insertion or updation or deletion, right? Simply we are fetching the data from the database and sending it to the JSP. So I will go for the statement. Prepare statement, fine. Of if you want to, that is your choice. Statement, prepare statement, both will be working. Both will work because there is no a question mark, right? See, so let's start from no. Still, let's say start for prepare statement. Prepare statement. Come on, come back. Come. BS
is equals to
is equal to
connection
connection.
object
Oh, connection. I have not. It's oh.
object
Okay, we can make a connection. CON is fine. Okay.
plus
If the connection is not there, we have to import, right? The import. I'm asking for this concept connection. It means JDBC. Okay. You see the connection. One moment. Why it did not ask me? Why first of all it asked me to import the connection, and if I call the import statement came for that. For that, what is the requirement? Basic requirement. Basic requirement. My MySQL JDBC driver should be there, right? That jar file should be there. Is it there? We can check. We can check in the here in leaf folder. I think array, it is not there. Oh, how come it take? How come it took? I think I have done here. I think I have done something. Hey, it is not there. I have to import. Okay, no problem. Inside anything MySQL, no, it should not be here. Okay, manually you have to do. Okay, fine. Okay, we can add. Should we add here or there? Your choice. That is your choice. I can copy. I have kept it somewhere in my jar file. Come on, jar file. Jar file. Okay, jars. MySQL connector. We are dealing with this connection, right? Everyone. Okay, directly we copy. No problem. I'll paste here. Okay, so all happy. All happy. Now no problem. Now error is there. Okay, PS. Prepare statement. PS is con dot. Ajay, prepare statement. Okay. Prepare statement. Prepare statement. Okay. Here. Okay. We have to give the query here. What is the query? Direct query will write here. Everything we are like, simply we are very simple way we are doing, right? Celestar. Celestar from array. For this, what we can tell me? For this, our table should be ready, right? Our table should be ready. Data should be ready. Okay. For the timing, just do something. Some name test. This information. Which information? These are usually country name Raj. I think this student or member. So what we can do? Member, no. So purposefully do, or this should be understandable. Member, huh? Member. Okay. MEMBR. Serial start from member. But that's it. Serial start from member. That's it. No condition, nothing. Okay. Very okay. That's it. Now result set. Okay. Now allow PS. The things are there in PS. Okay. PS dot execute query. Execute query. Q execute query. Okay. Execute query. If I do, is it fine? Yeah. I think BJ can tell me this. I think he might have come across this. If I give query here, na, no need to give query here. So at that time I can give only statement. Okay, normal statement. Statement PSST is equal to connection dot create statement. There are three types. One is prepare statement, one is statement, one is callable statement. So that is your choice. So going forward, everyone will come to know. Okay, no worry. Okay, this is very small changes. If you do 1 or 2 times, you understand 1 or 2 times, then you can easily come to know. Okay, for the timing, I'm using execute query. Yeah, prepare statement only. So it will give you a result state.
Result set RS
Set
Set.
RS is equal to okay
Result
result
set.
set. Okay, result set.
Then input result set.
Okay, because this result is the interface. It is not there in my family. Okay, I have to welcome this class to my family or interface to this family. Import. Okay, now it will be successfully imported. Okay, suppose you don't worry, you are getting some yellow color, no, you don't like, you don't like, Control Shift.
Control S.
Oh, unnecessary package will be gone. Okay, so result set now ready. You want to fetch the data? While statement, right?
While RS dot next.
While bracket start, then curly braces start end, while rs dot next. Okay, जब तक है जान, नो, जब तक वो डाटा रहेगा उधर तब तक ये घूमता रहेगा और डाटा को एग्जीक्यूट करता रहेगा और फेच करता रहेगा. Okay, unless until the last row is not done. So we can simply but at this time we want to, who can tell me now, this is the very important case now here. Who can tell me I'm not interested to see the result in my console. I want to send it to the next JSP. Who can tell me what next? Here Ravi thoda challenge rahega. Now it is really interesting. Okay, I'm not writing because probably at least you can tell me the logic. Okay, I tell you what, is not possible if I give Vijay and everyone, if I write out.println, out.println simply it will show the result here in console. But what we can do, we can create the member object. Okay, we can create the member object, and inside member I'll create a list of member object. Same concept I can write here. Okay, what I'll do, member object, I'll create the member object by using new operator. Member mbr1 is equal to new member. Okay, or member object. Okay, so what I'll do, before that I will create a array list. Okay, array list of the member. Okay, array list of member, and every time I'll create a member memb. Okay, member mbr is equal to new of member. Okay, so what member required? Member requires 3 things, right? So those 3 things, how I can get? So I have result set rs dot get string. Good. I think everything we have get string. Which first column में क्या रहेगा? Who can tell me? First column in first column we can give the name, right? Name आराम से. Name means you can give either you can give name. Make sure this name should be matching with your column name, or else if you don't like this one, if you don't like this one, you can give one. Chalega. Fine. Chalega. That is also fine. Okay. Get string. But it will get the result from the let's say, just understand in this way, this is the column. Let's say understand this column, and this is the first column, first data, Raj, right? Raj will come and store in the 1. If the second loop, when second loop come, it will fetch the Deji. Third loop, Sony, unless until you complete with the all the data. This is about the first column. Similarly, I am interested for to get all the data, right? Second column, arrays dot get string. Do mistake, don't worry. If you do mistake again, you can correct, right? What is the problem? Let's say you may think, sir, it is a ID, maybe number, but purposefully if I do there in varchar, then everything fine, right? If it is a number, then you can do some changes. Okay, let's say it's a varchar. What is the problem? You can do second. Okay, like this you can write for another 2. Okay, the get string third column ka data aa gaya. Now fourth column we retrieve the data. Okay, we kept in a get string. This is the data. Okay, but how I can set in the value to the member? Here what we can do. Okay, let me copy this one. Is not understanding. Okay, constructor. Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, then I have to use the member dot set. Okay, member, can I, if I use the member object, asking why I'll give the constructor. I don't want to give the constructor. The problem is coming because we have given the constructor here. I don't want to use the I don't want to. Okay, problem is coming. Why the constructor is there? Okay, no problem. Okay, let me store it in a string, right? String. What is the string value? Name, right? String name, right? String ID. Come on, jaldi.
String email.
String email.
String
Then
country.
string country. Understand? Maybe some of you may not be understanding at this point of time. Okay, this all I'm getting 100%. I'm getting this data from the database, and I'm storing a string value for the first iteration. First name will come, first ID will come. It is the first batch, and this first batch I can put into the member object, right? NAME, comma ID, copy ID, because all are string, don't worry. Okay, then email, then string. What is string? String. It's country, right? Country. Okay, I'm just asking everyone. Let me 1 moment. Let me. Okay.